Say M4462, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Abri Pañares. I'm 46 years old. I have a two sons, 11 and 17 years old. I live in General Trias.
Okay, Miss Abre, I see that you have experience somewhere in Hong Kong. What is your main duty and responsibility there?
General cleaning, caring the child, and then caring the pet, and marketing and cooking.
Okay, I also see that you have experience also in the same country. What is your main duty and responsibility there?
Take care of the one children, uh, and then cleaning the house, take care, taking care of the pet, and then the cooking and marketing.
Okay, Miss Abre, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to, because for my two kids,
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
as I want my employer,
Okay, what did you do if the newborn is crying?
uh, check the diaper, and then if have a poops, and check the temperature.
Okay. Are you willing to accept the holiday set up by the employer?
Yes,
Are you willing to work on Sunday?
yes,
Are you willing to take care of elderly?
yes,
Are you willing to co-work with other helper?
yes,
Are you willing to share room with kids?
yes,
Are you willing to learn Chinese if the family member can speak English?
yes,
It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer prepared for you.
yes,
I see that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut it short.
yes,
And I also see that you have a blonde hair. It is okay to you to color it into black.
yes,
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
yes.
And what kind of Chinese food can you cook?
Steamed fish, cook the steamed chicken, and then the fry vegetable, and so many.
Okay. Can you sing any nursery rhyme?
Uh, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Message to your future employer.
Hi, sir, ma'am. If you choose me, I'm kind, and I do my best for your employee.
Okay. Thank you very much. M4462.